Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Seemal Jelani, and I'm offering this course Chem 542 in fall 2021. This is a very advanced level course, and it's highly technical course. And what is the purpose of this course? To understand the spectroscopic techniques which are used to identify organic compounds and how to interpret the spectral data. So if I talk about the main areas, so we will study NMR, MS, IR, and UV visible. So if I give you the introduction of this NMR, so this is the technique which is used to study physical and chemical properties of matter, and we use to determine molecular identity and structure. Besides identification of NMR, provides a detailed information about the structures, dynamics, reaction state, chemical environment of molecules. So here we studied all the important things, how you will identify the chemical environments, how you can, what is meant by the chemical shift, and what is meant by upfield and downfield, and how, when you get the spectra, how you will interpret the spectra. For MS, MS is another analytical technique by which chemical substances are identified by sorting of gaseous ions in electric and magnetic field according to their mass charge ratio. So here we study different techniques. For example, MALDI is very important and common technique which is used for ionization. And we study some 3 or 4 important techniques. And we studied detail of the instrumentation also. And then the main thing is to interpret the spectral data. IR, IR deals with the IR region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Here again, it is used to identify the functional groups in molecules. And we learn in detail the deep instrumentation of IR. And again, I will teach you how to interpret the data and what kind of information you will get from these spectral analysis. Last but not the least, we also study UV. UV is the same, is also a spectroscopic technique, and it also gives you information about the structure of the compounds. So what is the purpose of advanced organic chemistry, advanced organic spectroscopy? If you are interested in synthetic organic chemistry, and if you have planned to do research and you are having research oriented mind, and especially in the field of organic chemistry or in drug analysis, so you need to have this basics tool. This is very important for MPhil students to have this basic tool. And by going through this course, you will definitely have a very deep insight into the spectral analysis. So book which I am going to follow in this course is this spectroscopic studies by Pavia. And you can also have another resources. If I talk about the learning platform, I would say that your good grades and success is mainly in your hands. And of course, it will be examined or it will be supported by the learning management system of FCCU. That is the Moodle. All of you are quite familiar with the Moodle and how it works. So methodology is depending upon the decision of the FC. If it is blended, then we will have the classes as well as online classes, and you will be provided a schedule timely. One thing is very important in this course, and that is the attendance. If you miss one only lecture, you miss a lot. So it's not that you go and see the recording of the lecture. No, you won't be able to understand. To understand completely this course, you have to be present either in the class or in online or in online classes. So learning management system is very advanced, and FC's Moodle learning management system is supported by educational activities also, and all the course contents will have some activities. So if I talk about the grading, the grading is not only dependent on the mid-exam quizzes and final exam, it is dependent on the activities. Whatever the content you will study in the course, I will upload the content related activity on Moodle, and you have to take care of the submission dates. Assignments will be given to you. Some assignments will be given to you individually, but most of the assignments will be given to you in the group form, so that you can learn how to work in groups. Last but not the least is that you have to be very extra sensitive to your attendance, because I'm going to give 10% grading to this attendance. Attendance is a very important thing in the course. Technical assignments I will give to you, in which the spectra, different spectra, I will upload and you need to interpret it. So this is a very technical course, and it's very interesting when you are able to understand the course completely, and when you acquire the skills of interpreting the spectral data, you feel very interesting in your research-oriented activities. I hope you will have this small introduction, and I hope I see you in fall 2021. Thank you, thank you very much.